No introductions needed for the man in this picture. He is our Energy Secretary, Ed Davey. This was his mission statement when he took office in February 2012. He draws our attention to the impact on consumer households caused by climate change and rising energy bills. In our market research, we estimated £800 million and 4 million tonnes of carbon emission are wasted by domestic households simply because people forget to switch their lights off. We spoke to leading lighting and electrical accessory manufacturers and noted that their complete focus is on LED lamps. Even if we were able to move over to LED lamps, the problem of switching off lights will continue to remain. My name is Moni Razzaque. I'm the CEO of Adaptarose, a new startup. Our invention will help domestic consumers switch off their lights. On your left is a standard ceiling rose, which you see hanging not just in the UK, but worldwide. Since Thomas Edison invented the light bulb in 1879, this humble light switch has been the most common form of lighting control. We went back to the drawing board with the ceiling rose and transformed it into an energy-saving device. Our transformation is best described as an innovative use of known technology. Our UK patent actually gives us other exciting product developments. This is a typical application for our device. The ceiling rose motion sensor replaces existing ceiling roses. Like the name suggests, it detects the slightest movement in a room, so it knows when it's in use, and when it's not, out go the lights. You may think that this is an obvious solution. Well, despite lengthy patent searches by information experts at the British Library IP Office and a further independent IP review, remarkably, nothing like this exists in the world. Fitting the ceiling rose motion sensor takes less than 10 minutes. It requires no specialist knowledge, builder's work, or rewiring. Once it is installed, it requires no regular maintenance. It is fit and forget technology. The sensors are the same kind that already exist in things like outdoor patio lights, but the difference is that the ceiling rose motion sensor is compact and it works in harmony with your home. So no more teenagers leaving lights on when they're out at school, or hall lights particularly draining energy when it never quite feels right to switch them off, even in a space that's barely used. This is our roadmap for a product development. We've actually completed 5 out of 6 stages. These deliverables at each stage were agreed when we were part of the Carbon Trust EFT program. With support from Heidi Alexander, MP for Lewisham East, we're currently running a field trial with Lewisham Council in partnership with Osborne Energy. The aim of the field trial will be to raise product awareness and to demonstrate how our device can attack issues such as fuel poverty. Lewisham also happens to be one of 4 London boroughs earmarked by the Mayor of London, where he plans to retrofit 1.2 million houses by 2014 with very simple energy measures. He's set himself a target of 350,000 tonnes. If we could fit this device in those homes, we could take that target to in excess of 400,000 tonnes of carbon savings. The ceiling rose motion sensor provides simple, long-term lighting control for the consumer. By replacing existing ceiling roses, it's simply wired into existing light fittings, such as stairs, corridors, bedrooms, bathrooms, anywhere there's an existing pendant. We believe through this simplicity, adoption will be rapid, and therefore the ceiling rose motion sensor represents a unique investment opportunity because this is an emerging market that's led by legislation. In the UK alone, through schemes such as the Green Deal, the potential is huge. We're looking at 24 million households, on average 6 devices per home. This will be a model similar to smoke detection. And because of the way the Green Deal is structured, low-cost solutions such as our ceiling rose motion sensor will stand a much higher chance of success. Whilst the ceiling rose motion sensor may not be sexy in terms of technology, the capex required to commercialize such a device is extremely low. In short, we are an organization that is seeking somebody that will either help us license this technology or build a business around this product. Thank you very much for listening.